guys, I've got this Schlage matte black latitude lever keyed entry. I installed this on the security door. So everything that came in the box, the keys too. Take this through here. This piece is going to go in here. It's going to go there. And I'll come around here. This is going to go on this piece here. Just slide that right over that. Doesn't go on right away. You might have to turn your lock here. Okay, now you just hold that there, and then you're going to run two of the screws right through there. Just going to set these in here loosely, just to kind of finger tight to hold it in place. Loose for right now, and then we'll take these other screws, these ones here, run them through here. And this one goes in the bottom here. So you can't open it from the outside. This thing always stays unlocked on the inside, but the outside, when you lock it like that, even though you can open it from the inside, like that is unlocked.